Make the most of in-season stone fruit with this Spelt and Pecan peach cobbler. A classic comfort food, it will go down a treat. Get started by cutting the peaches into wedges and removing the stones. Place the peaches, sugar, bourbon, lemon rind, orange rind, lemon juice and orange juice in a large bowl. Give it a stir to coat the peaches, then set aside at room temperature for 30 minutes or until the peaches release some juices. Next, lightly spray an oven-proof pan or baking dish and place it on a baking tray. Add the flour and cinnamon to the peach mixture and gently toss to coat. Spoon the mixture into the prepared pan. Now we can prepare the cobbler topping. Place the wholemeal spelt flour, plain flour, baking powder and pecans in the bowl of a food processor and process until the mixture is finely ground. Pour the mixture into a bowl and add the sugar and butter. Use your fingertips to rub the butter into the flour mixture like this, until the mixture resembles coarse breadcrumbs. Pour in the buttermilk and vanilla and gently stir until the mixture just comes together. You don't want to overmix it or the cobbler topping will become firm. Spoon the cobbler topping over the peaches, allowing some room for spreading. Brush with a little buttermilk and sprinkle with demerara sugar. Bake in a preheated oven for 40 to 45 minutes or until the top is golden and the filling is bubbling. To serve, spoon into bowls and top with some crème fraîche. With warm caramelised peach and golden dumplings, this fruity spelt cobbler is a winning dessert.